In the last lesson, we looked at string skipping within the pentatonic scale, and one of the most interesting things about that is the sound you get from jumping between non-adjacent strings. And in this lesson, we're going to take that idea a little bit further into something that sounds a little bit more intervallic and something that sounds a little bit more angular. So this lick lives inside of position 1 of the A minor pentatonic. And here it is without the silences between every 3 notes. The full lesson is on my channel, and tabs and backing tracks are available on my Patreon page. Just search for Chris Anthony Guitar. Links are also in the description.